Hello YouTube! This time is my packing video. Ooh, and you actually get to see me as well. As you can see, I'm wearing clothes. This is my bag. So this is everything that I've brought, and I'll just take stuff out and talk you through what we've got and why. First off, some napkins and a bar of Waitrose vegan chocolate, because you never know when you're going to need chocolate. That might actually be dessert for this evening, so there's that. 2 face masks, absolutely essential. It's not pollution here, I mean it is, but it's not. There's a lot of dust, and today was the first day I've actually really suffered with it, and I thought at one point it was going to kick my asthma off. Thankfully it hasn't, but yeah, masks. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. We have my mala, because we are here to practice after all, along with the Super Swish Travel Zen, which Ivy got from eBay, which has been really handy, so all good. My flippy floppies, which I've worn about 3 times. They need washed. We're then on to 2 pairs of socks. I'm sure there's more in there. 3 pairs of socks. There's a pair of harem pants, which I've worn a couple of times. Actually that needs washed, so I'll start throwing things over. 2 pairs of pants, I'm sure there's another one there. Obviously I'm wearing it. I'm not going to show you the pants I'm wearing. You're spared that fate. First t-shirt, party cannon, what? Because it's a new thing to do, is defend party slam in various parts of the world. A long sleeve t-shirt, this one Carcass, which I wore on the way out, along with my other t-shirt, which is just the most badass, non-threatening, the number of people who've stared at me because of my M83 t-shirt. It's like, what? Okay, I'm a big fella, wearing a t-shirt with a puppy on it, what are the odds? The shorts that I wore out, a water bottle that did have Scottish water in it up until Delhi, I want to say. My tourist bucket hat, which I've not worn because I'm keeping that. It's my Batman bucket hat, but yeah, Ivy pointed out a tourist in a bucket hat and it was like, oh my god, the optics on this are terrible. We've got a tote bag which contained all of the snacks and whatnot that we brought out. There's my Finnair travel bag, which has got a pair of socks and a toothbrush and toothpaste. Yay! So if we run out of either of those, we've got those. Okay, the toothbrush is a bit mangled, but never mind. It's a handy wee pocket. Hankies, 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 face cloth. Hankies, face cloth is the Totally Boss Boba Fett one that Ivy picked up for me in Oi Oi. Suitcase strap, because you never know, we might need to bundle stuff together. Travel chopsticks, because travel chopsticks. This is the Kanken which I just shoved in there, which is now my carry around case. So in here is charging cables for phones, along with an adapter that should fit everywhere, and indeed thankfully does. My medication pouch, which has got all the things that you don't need to know about, actually cold and flu tablets, which I took today, as well as basic medication. Plasters, and plasters, which has come in handy because I skinned my knee, well my shin, on the corner of the bed because I'm a klutz. The aforementioned asthma inhalers, which I hoped I wouldn't need, but unfortunately have. And earplugs, which weirdly enough I've not used yet, but never mind. So that's what's in there. What else do we have? Another hanky, because you know. And this is my sort of, I don't know, money belt pouch type thing, which I've not really used. In here we've got more power cables, a battery pack, because you know I get the fear if the phone, the fear, start twitching and everything. Ivy deservedly mocks me relentlessly about it and goes, ooh, danger phone. Wallet, because wallet. Some lip balm, because it's key lime pie by Lush, which is really nice. It's all limey and lovely. So yeah, and travel stuff. Basically, in here is money of a couple of different currencies, and if I'm holding onto my passport, then it goes in there. But Ivy's got that at the moment, and yeah, an elastic band, because you never know. So yeah, that's what I brought. So far we've not really got anything new to take back with us. I think a couple of books, a few wee bits and bobs, but nothing major or serious. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you don't already subscribe, please consider doing so. If you do already subscribe, you're awesome. You rock. Thank you so much. It's really, really appreciated. Also, don't forget to check us out on Patreon, because there's some really nifty exclusive videos there as well. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are. Bye!